Hey, Python Pulse. Today we are talking about data structure and function in Python. They are the superhero in Python. They are the main thing in Python. Okay, so let's start. Let's dive into the first. Before starting the data structure, we need to know what is the variable. Variable are a box where you store your information. Okay, and data structure are the way to store your data in structural way so that you can access in your code easily. So there are mainly three types of variable you can initialize, that is string, number and boolean. So you can make the data structure mainly three type, that is list, tuple and that is dictionary. There is more data structure in Python on, that is set, and there is some data structure queue, dequeue, linked list, all are there. But I am say here mainly three main, that is list, tuple and dictionary. And for this course, this three is enough. And then another important part is that is function. Function and is a thing that you can define once and you can run anywhere in your code. If you import, then you can run anywhere. So one function, you do not need to write same repeated code multiple time. You write same code one time and call this function internally, then it will work. Let's start coding, and by coding we will learn more details about variable, data structure and function. Okay, so I am here using VS Code. So first I create a folder that is outside, that is basic, and then in the basic I am writing a folder that is main.py. I think this is not visible to you, so let me make this bigger. Now it is clear to you. Okay, so after this the Python file is ready. Now need to run. So first you need to check if Python is installed on your system or not. If Python is installed, then you can type is Python 3. You can see I am using Python 3.9.6, so it will visible to you. Okay, so first we need to know about variable. So first three types of variable, that is string, hello world, and then number that you can define like this. If you want, you can also use number like, and that is integer. You can also use floating number. Okay, that's type number. Okay, and then another is that is boolean. Boolean is written as a either true or false. Okay, after knowing variable, we need to know about the data structure. I am here discuss only three data structure, that is one is list, that is like a array. You will know the data structure about array, that is linear. You can access this data by loop. Okay, and then another is tuple. You will see list and tuple both are same. One is difference, that is if you define any tuple, you are not able to reassign or add, are not able to change in tuple. Some case when we are write the code in Python, we do not want to change the array. This time we are using tuple. Tuple is always a good option to fix any array. Okay, another important thing is dictionary. That is like a key value pair. That is, you can say also that is map, but that is not exactly map. That is like more specific of map. Okay, you can write lot of things, stuff is there. Okay, so you can also write here hello. So this is dictionary. And one thing is coming your mind, am I make this list of string, list of boolean? Yes, it is possible. You can also write this thing, this stuff is also work. So let run this in terminal and check what is the pity with tuple, what is the problem with list. Okay, so running, first we need to go to the cd of basic folder, and then we need to run python 3 and the file name, that is main.py. Okay, that will execute. Everything is executed, no error. So let's try here. That is print the list, that is 1. Now we will see that is coming 2. Okay, that's 1 2. Let's try some cool stuff like add something in tuple. You will see I am at the string and this will throw error. If you see the error, tuple object not supported, it item assigned. Okay, so tuple is a array, but it has a power, no one can change the value. If it is defined one time, then it is always work in this type. You cannot append, you cannot remove, you cannot add, you cannot assign. Okay, that's a tuple. And dictionary, if you see the dictionary, if you want to access the dictionary, you need to pass key and then dictionary will return your value. So first, if you see how our dictionary is defined here, if I pass the dictionary 1 2 3, and their output will come from this row. Okay, so let's see. You will see that is coming. Okay, that's a simple. A lot of stuff is there, how array on work, that is map, how dictionary, or everything. A lot of things are there. You also see the basic Python and syntax, and there you can use. So I am here only say mainly three data type, data structure, that is list, tuple and dict, that is enough. So after that we need to know about the function. If you write the Python code, you need to define function. You need to first use def, then your function name, then that is in function is ready, then print function call. Okay, now our function is ready. So if you call this function, then it will execute the function here. Okay, so let's run. That is coming function called. Why we need to use function? If you see, if you write code and you see same code is repeated multiple times, and there is lot of code and code structure is not good, and lot of things are happening, and then same things are repeated multiple times, so there is no meaning of repeated same things multiple times. So that's we need to use. So that's it for this video. We'll see you soon in next.